So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be discussing about an important topic that is about heat exchanger, which is normally used in all the industries operating nowadays. So in this video we will be discussing about what is heat exchanger, then uses of heat exchanger and types of heat exchanger in the end. So now firstly we will be discussing about what is a heat exchanger. So, a heat exchanger is a system used to transfer heat between a source and a working fluid. Heat exchangers are used in both cooling and heating processes. The fluids may be separated by a solid wall to prevent mixing, or they may be in direct contact. Heat exchangers are devices designed to transfer heat between two or more fluids, that is liquids, vapors, or gases of different temperatures. As you all can see in the photo on the right is a typical single-pass heat exchanger, where the system comprises of two sections, from which one is a copper-looking pipe and other is the glass-looking shell. In normal cases the assembly is made up of metals. Here it is just shown for better understanding prospect. Here one fluid passes in the copper-look-like pipe which has some temperature, and second fluid passes through the shell-side glass-like portion which is at a temperature other than the temperature of the fluid in copper pipe. It is necessary to have temperature difference between the fluids to have a proper transfer. Let us understand it with an example. If we want to heat a material, then we need to have steam or hot water as the second fluid. And if in other case we need to cool the material, then cooling water, chilling water or brine is used as a secondary fluid. Furthermore, we will be looking towards where is heat exchanger used. Heat exchanger are used in space heating, which is also known as air handling unit. Then also used in refrigeration and air conditioning, where heat exchangers are used in refrigeration to transfer heat between the refrigerant and the surrounding medium. The most common types of heat exchangers used in refrigeration are evaporators, which are used to absorb heat from the surrounding medium, causing the refrigerant to vaporize. Secondly, in condensers, which are used to release heat from the refrigerant, causing it to condense. And also in recuperators, which are used to transfer heat between two streams of refrigerant. Heat exchangers are used in power stations in a variety of applications, including condensers, feed water preheaters, evaporators, heat recovery steam generators. Heat exchangers are used in a wide variety of applications in chemical plants, petrochemical plants, and petroleum refineries. Some of the most common uses include condensing and evaporating fluids, transferring heat between fluids. Specific examples of where heat exchangers are used in chemical plants, petrochemical plants, and petroleum refineries are: they are used in a waste heat recovery unit, in a separation unit, in a distillation column. Then heat exchangers are also used in natural gas processing and in sewage treatment. So guys, these were some of the places where heat exchangers are used. Now moving further, we will be looking about the types of heat exchanger. So the four main types of heat exchanger are as follows, which includes double pipe heat exchanger, then shell and tube heat exchanger, then plate heat exchanger, condensers and boilers heat exchangers. So first is a double pipe heat exchanger. A double pipe heat exchanger is a type of heat exchanger that consists of two concentric pipes. Double pipe heat exchangers are a simple and inexpensive type of heat exchanger. They are often used in applications where the heat transfer requirements are not too demanding. Double pipe heat exchangers are also relatively easy to clean. For more details, we will make a separate video for the same, so please stay tuned for it. Here in this video we will be briefly discussing about all the types as we discussed for double pipe heat exchanger. Now next is about shell and tube heat exchanger. A shell and tube heat exchanger is a type of heat exchanger that consists of a shell, a large pressure vessel, with a bundle of tubes inside it. One fluid runs through the tubes, and another fluid flows over the tubes, through the shell, to transfer heat between the two fluids. And now lastly, the third type is of plate heat exchanger. A plate heat exchanger, PHE, is a type of heat exchanger that uses a series of flat plates to transfer heat between two fluids. The plates are separated by gaskets, and the fluids flow through the plates in alternating channels. This creates a large surface area for heat transfer, and the turbulence caused by the flowing fluids enhances the heat transfer process. Plate heat exchangers are a versatile type of heat exchanger that can be used in a wide variety of applications. Guys, we will surely discuss about each type in detail in coming videos. So that's all for this video where we discussed about various important things related to heat exchanger. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. And for more videos related to chemical engineering, chemical safety, process engineering, industrial safety, you can subscribe to this channel.